In today's world, cameras seem to be everywhere. On our phones, drones, cars, doorsteps, and even in the hands of law enforcement. These devices have revolutionized how we see, document, and interact with the world, but they come with both advantages and challenges. In this video, we'll explore the benefits and downsides of various camera technologies, from drones and underwater cameras to those used in home security, vehicles, and law enforcement. As cameras shape how we perceive reality, they also raise important questions about privacy, security, and how much surveillance is too much. Cameras have evolved in numerous ways, and their widespread use has both positive and negative impacts on our lives. Let's explore different types of cameras and how they shape our world today. Drones equipped with cameras have transformed aerial photography, giving us breathtaking views from above. They are used in filmmaking, real estate, agriculture, and even during disasters to assess damage. On the plus side, drones offer unique perspectives that were once difficult or impossible to capture. These cameras help with environmental monitoring, mapping, and disaster relief efforts, providing crucial information that saves time and resources. However, drones also raise privacy concerns, as they can be used to spy on people or enter restricted areas without consent. The use of drones for surveillance by individuals, companies, and governments has sparked debates about where to draw the line between beneficial technology and invasion of privacy. Advances in underwater cameras allow us to explore the depths of the ocean like never before. These cameras, often used in marine research, have helped us understand marine ecosystems and raise awareness of ocean conservation. They bring the wonders of the underwater world to the public, fostering appreciation and some action to protect our oceans. On the downside, underwater cameras can sometimes disrupt fragile ecosystems, especially if used irresponsibly. The race to capture footage in sensitive marine environments can cause harm to wildlife and their habitats. Doorbell cameras have changed home security, giving homeowners real-time video of visitors or activities outside their homes. This technology provides peace of mind by enhancing safety and reducing package thefts and home break-ins. However, doorbell cameras also raise privacy issues. They record not just the property owner's surroundings, but also neighboring spaces, capturing the movements of people who might not have consented to being filmed. This has led to concerns about the increase in surveillance within residential areas and the potential misuse of footage, especially when shared online. Cameras in vehicles like dash cams and backup cameras are increasingly common. Dash cams are valuable for documenting road incidents and providing evidence in case of accidents. Backup cameras enhance safety by helping drivers avoid obstacles and pedestrians. While these cameras make driving safer and offer legal protection, they also come with concerns. For instance, continuous recording while driving could be misused by law enforcement or insurance companies to scrutinize driver behavior or challenge claims in ways that disadvantage the driver. Smartphones with built-in high-quality cameras have made it easy for anyone to document their life. The ability to quickly capture moments and share them on social media has revolutionized personal photography and communication. On the positive side, this has made it easier for people to stay connected with loved ones and express themselves creatively. However, the constant pressure to capture and share can take away from experiencing moments fully. Additionally, oversharing on social media raises concerns about digital privacy, with personal images being shared, copied, or manipulated without consent. Cameras play a significant role in law enforcement, both for public safety and surveillance. The use of body cameras, traffic cameras, and CCTV systems comes with both benefits and downsides. Police body cameras are intended to provide transparency, protect both officers and the public, and document interactions in real time. These cameras can offer crucial evidence during investigations and reduce misconduct by making officers more accountable. However, the use of body cameras is not without flaws. They may be turned off or malfunction at critical moments, leading to incomplete or biased footage. There are also concerns that law enforcement can misuse camera footage, leading to over-surveillance of certain communities and heightening issues of racial profiling and privacy violations. Surveillance cameras are commonly used in public spaces to deter crime, monitor traffic, and enhance safety. CCTV footage can help solve crimes, monitor public events, and provide evidence in criminal cases. While surveillance increases safety, it also reduces personal privacy. People are often unaware of how much they're being watched in public areas, leading to concerns about the extent of surveillance and how the collected data is used. The fear of being constantly monitored can make people feel less free, raising questions about whether the trade-off between security and privacy is worth it. Cameras are not just tools for capturing images. They shape how we perceive reality, interact with the world, and balance the benefits and drawbacks of technology. Cameras allow us to document our lives like never before. From everyday moments to special occasions, we have an extensive visual archive of our personal histories. On one hand, this ability enhances our memory and gives us lasting records of important experiences. On the other hand, the constant urge to capture everything can pull us out of the present moment, leading to less meaningful engagement with our surroundings. The awareness that cameras are everywhere has changed how people behave in public. Whether it's at concerts or public events, people are often focused on recording the moment rather than living in it. Knowing that anyone can be filmed at any time also influences how we act, sometimes leading to more guarded or performative behavior. Cameras have blurred the line between public and private spaces. With surveillance in stores, public places, and homes, much of our daily lives are being recorded. While this can increase safety and provide evidence when needed, it also raises concerns about the loss of privacy. People are increasingly being monitored without their knowledge or consent, sparking debates about the ethics of constant surveillance. As cameras have become a regular part of our lives, more people have developed photography skills. This has led to an increase in visual literacy, with more awareness of how to compose shots and tell stories through images. On the downside, this has also led to the manipulation of photos and videos, making it harder to trust what we see. The rise of deepfakes and other digital alterations has made people more skeptical of visual media. Cameras have made it easier to capture and manipulate images, leading to more critical views of photographic truth. With the ability to edit or stage photos, people have become more cautious about believing what they see. This has increased the need for digital literacy to help people discern between real and altered images. In conclusion, cameras have dramatically transformed how we see and interact with the world, offering both benefits and challenges. From drones capturing stunning aerial footage to body cams promoting transparency in law enforcement, these devices offer safety, convenience, and new perspectives. However, they also raise concerns about privacy, surveillance, and the authenticity of visual media. As camera technology continues to evolve, society must navigate the balance between the advantages it brings and the ethical questions it raises. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.